Children, listen. This is chapter number 6, application of derivatives. We are doing video number 2 or part number 2. We are going to continue. Listen, pa. In video number 1, introduction plus 2 questions I uploaded. This is video number 2. We are moving. See, first statement. Read the statement carefully. Radius of circle is increasing. Radius of circle is increasing. Okay, at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So radius in the sense, what is that? dr we have to say. Radius, listen children, area means capital A, surface area means capital S, radius na small r, perimeter na p you can use. Like that some standard letters are there. Understand? So that radius, derivative of radius, increasing means plus. So dr divided by dt. How I gave t? See here, centimeter per second. Second na t we can use, not an issue. Okay. So that be careful, Raja. Dr by dt increasing na plus I said 3 centimeter per second. Okay, 3 centimeter per second. This is given. Next line we will go. Find rate. Rate na derivative. What rate derivative will say? At which the area of circle derivative they are asking. So that dA divided by dt equal to question mark. When you want to find this of the circle increasing when radius is 10. When you want to find the area means when radius equal to 10 centimeter, find the area of circle increasing they are asking. Have you understand pa? Question have you understand? They are asking dA by dt and dr by dt is given and r equal to 10 is given. Shall we start this ma? Yes, right. First area. Area of circle, that is area means capital letter A I will be taking. I said already. Area of circle, have you remember Raja? What va? Pi r square. Okay. Now I am going to differentiate this with respect to what I want to differentiate with respect to in terms of the variable which is in question or something else. What I want to use here? Respect to what? T I want to go because in question what they give? Per second they give. Per second. After looking per second, you should differentiate with respect to same second. Second means time. Time means what Raja generally? Yes, time T we have to use. What my dear? Time T. So with respect to T I am mentioning here. So A when I differentiate, what I am getting? dA divided by dt. What I am getting? dA divided by dt. Pi is multiplication number. Pi let it be as it is. R square when you differentiate what pa? 2r. Very good. 2r multiply. R when you differentiate. See power I differentiated. R square when I differentiate 2r. Again r when I differentiate with respect to t, what I am getting pa? Very good. What you will be getting? dr divided by dt you will be getting. What my dear? dr divided by dt. So first power when you differentiate 2r, then r when you differentiate dr by dt. Understand? Be careful. Now whatever the value you have, you just substitute, you will be getting the required. So that dA divided by dt which is equal to 2 pi r multiply. When I multiply all those 2 pi r multiply dr by dt which is given by the question. What are Raja? dr by dt 3 centimeter. What pa? 3 centimeter. Understand? So when you multiply each other, what I am getting? 6 pi r. This is what ma? dA divided by dt. This is they asked to find. This is area. Area na how you will write? Square. Here they are given centimeter. So centimeter square per t na second. Second this is given by question. So that second what is that we have to use? This is in general pa. This is in general. But specifically they asked to find derivative of area at radius is 10. Okay. So at r is equal to 10 centimeter, when you apply here 6 pi r value 10 na, what you will be getting ma? 60 pi centimeter square per second. Have you understand? Have you understand? Right. Okay. Next question number 4. Next question number 4. Right fast. Hey, we cannot wait like this. Otherwise, we cannot go. Really, I'm telling. I told to write when I'm teaching. You should do both. Physics teacher and all, when they teach you people taking running notes, I'm right. Running notes, if you are not taking, you cannot score good mark in physics, chemistry and all. Really, I'm telling. You have to take running notes. You should take that you should learn. When you go to college and all, they will not give time and all. That is what lecturer, another name is called guide. They will guide you how to do. You have to do everything. Shall we go next? For next question number 4. 4 what they given? An edge of variable. An edge of variable cube is given. Raja, listen pa. One cube we have. Cube means we know all the sides equal to something. It became then cube. Okay, cube. So when you join this everything, it will become cube. Cube na, it's equal to one side. A I'm taking. So what they are telling, edge of variable cube increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. What is increasing at the rate ma? Edge of cube. What is increasing pa? Edge of cube. Edge what I have assumed ma? A. Okay, so let A equal to edge of cube if I'm taking na, then as per the given condition, D small a, capital A na area I said, small a na here edge of cube, okay. dA divided by dt, here also time second is mentioned pa, so dA divided by dt increasing in the sense plus 3 centimeter per second is given, right. Next, how fast, that is we have to find how fast is the volume, how fast the volume of cube increasing. So that what they asking to find dV by dt equal to question mark. When you want to find dV by dt na, when edge is 10 centimeter long, when edge is 10 centimeter long, find the volume of the edge, okay, not volume, rate of change of volume. Shall we find it ma? Right. So that volume formula, what do you know ma? Volume of cube, have you remember pa? Yes, very good. Volume V I'm taking, which is equal to A cube. What Raja? A cube. Okay. Now take a differentiate on both sides with respect to T. Differentiate with respect to T on both sides. So V, when I differentiate with respect to T, what I will getting pa? dV divided by dt. What my dear? dV divided by dt. Understand? Next, A cube when I differentiate. What is derivative of A cube, Vanilla? You tell me. Derivative of A cube. 3A square. Very good. 3 will be coming down into power 1 will be reduced. So that 3A square you will be get. Directly I will write 3A square. 3A square. This is derivative of A cube. After applying the derivative of A cube, which one we have to differentiate? A also. A when I differentiate with respect to T na, dA by dt I will be getting. What I will be getting? dA by dt. dA by dt is given by the question. What it is? 3 centimeter per second. So that dV divided by dt, which is equal to 3 times A square multiply dA by dt is 3. So directly you can substitute 3, which is equal to 9A square. What is this? Volume. Volume now what you should write ma? Centimeter cube you should write. Centimeter cube per second. Okay, 10 centimeter cube per second. This is in general. At specifically they are given some value. When edge is 10, what is they asked? When edge is 10 here, when edge is 10 What is the value they asked? Then A equal to 10 centimeter na 9 10 9 into A square. A value 10 na 10 square you will be getting. So that 900 centimeter cube per second. Okay, 900 centimeter cube per second. Abhi you understand, Raja? I hope you understand this. Same manner they will be asking in even in rectangle also, 2D. Okay, this is 3D cuboid. 2D, 2 dimension also they will be asking. Rectangle, square, like that they will be giving. Okay, shall we go to next pa? By side completed. Max leader done. Very good. Ma, next Raja, a stone dropped into a quiet lake. There is a lake, ma. Listen, there is a lake. So lake, in the lake generally water will be there. Am I right? Generally. During a summer time model, I don't know what it will be, but generally lake means there is a water. So listen, children, a stone dropped into a quiet lake. There is a quiet lake. When you drop a stone inside the lake, what will happen? There is a wave will be forming. Am I right? When the wave will be forming, see, first, see, if you are dropping a stone here, first wave will be like this small. Next it will continue one more. Yes. So it will continue till the end. The wave will be moving like this. Am I right, pa? Yes. So that first wave radius is small compared to second. Like that it will be changing the radius. It will be changing the radius next to next to next. It will be increasing. So that when you drop a stone in the lake, the radius will be increasing. The radius will be increasing. Okay, that you have to realize here. Right, fine. What they are given, we'll see. A stone is dropped into the quiet lake and wave move in a circle. See, they have mentioned very clearly wave forming in the circle format. Okay, at the speed of 5 centimeter per second, means wave will be forming in the shape of a circle. So what it will be increasing there? Radius will be increasing each circle. Am I right? When you drop inside, a small circle will be forming. The wave will be moving into a big one more circle. Like that, big circle it will be forming. What is changing now? The radius is changing. Okay, radius will be increasing. That is, they are given speed of 5 centimeter. So here in the question you can notice that increase decrease does not mention. Have you noticed it? In the question, radius increasing decreasing not mentioned. Wave is move, they said. When wave move, circle will become small or big only. So we have to consider that radius is increasing. Okay, right. So that dr divided by dt, which is equal to 5 centimeter per second, is given. Dr by t. Why I gave t here? Because second is given. Be careful, whatever I am taking, be careful. Right. At the instant when radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter. Suppose when a circle is moving, one of the place when I am drawing this, in one of the place, what is the radius is 8 centimeter. That time we are measuring the, what is that value? We are measuring something. So that when radius is 8 centimeter, means radius of the wave, they are telling radius of the wave is 8 centimeter. How fast the enclosed area increasing? Suppose radius is 8 centimeter na, from here to here it is km, right? How fast the area will be increased? That is they asking. Okay, when r equal to 8 centimeter, find area increasing, means dA by dt, means dA by dt they asking. Have you understand? Diagram only for understanding purpose. No, they will not alert mark in this question. Okay, if you want to draw, you can draw, not a issue. Right. Now area of circle, what are Raja? Yes, that I am using here. Area of circle, capital letter A I am taking pi r square. So that we have to differentiate with respect to t on both side. So that dA divided by dt, which is equal to pi, let it be r square when you differentiate 2r into r when you differentiate dr divided by dt. I'm getting dr divided by dt, right? Fine. So that 2 pi, sorry, what is that? 2r into pi na 2 pi r, you can write 2 pi r into dr by dt. We have here 5 which is given already, so mention that 5. So that 5 2s are 10 pi r, 10 pi r. This is what ma dA divided by dt. So this is what is that? Area, right? Area means centimeter square, t means second, or else s also you can write centimeter per second. This is in general. Specifically they gave something, what Raja? At 8, r equal to 8, what is the area increasing? So at r is equal to 8 centimeter, 10 pi into r value 8 na, which is equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second. Centimeter square per second they are getting at the time of r equal to 8, area increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter per second. Have you noticed in many, the previous, whatever the question we have faced regarding a circle, I didn't apply the pi value. Have you noticed it, children? It is not necessary if they not, till they give. If they are given pi value now, you can use. If they are not given, you don't apply anything. Understand? Right. See, question and all very big only, answer and all too small. If you understand, very easily you can survey in 6.1. If you are very clear in 6.1, next exercise is easy. Same manner 6.1, 6.2, if you are very clear na, 6.3 will be easy. Okay, we are going to question number 6. Completed appa. Priyadarshini, you completed na? Wait. Boys side over appa. Is anyone? Right. Raja, next question number 6. Next question number 6. Radius of circle increasing. Raja, radius of circle increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. So radius only increasing at the rate. So that dr divided by dt, which is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. Okay. 0. Radius of circle increasing at the rate we have mentioned. What is the rate of? What is the rate of increasing of its circumference? Children, have you remember circumference of circle pa? 2 pi r. Very good. So that they asking that circumference c I will take dc by dt, which is equal to question mark. Have you understand? Have you understand? Yeah. Now we'll go. Have you noticed here r equal to not given? Have you noticed? Usually see, children, find dA by dt when r equal to 8. Like that they will be given in each. See, this also find dV by dt when a equal to 10. Like that they will be giving some value. But in this question, dc by dt we need to find, but r equal to not mentioned. Means when you differentiate, maybe r will be vanished. Okay, that we will see here what will happen. What is that? Circumference of circle. Circumference of a circle, that is c, which is equal to 2 pi r. Yes, r power 1 we have. No, when you differentiate, it will become 1. Okay, right, children? Now differentiate. What we have to differentiate pa? Differentiate with respect to what ma? T. Very good. Okay. C, when you differentiate dc divided by dt, 2 pi multiply constant. R when you differentiate with respect to t na, dr divided by dt you will be getting. Dr divided by dt. Okay. 2 pi, let it be. And what about dr by dt pa? Yes, 0.7 which is given. Okay. So 0.7. 7 2s are 14. After one digit, when you give point 1.4 pi, circumference na centimeter, T means S. That's it. dc divided by dt. Children, listen. Many time I said dA divided by dt na, A means area. So that centimeter square. Centimeter square or meter square based on question will change. Second na, time, what is that? S you can use. So that volume in the sense centimeter cube or meter cube based on question. T in the sense S. Understand? Like that, dr by dt in the sense radius and all will be coming in centimeter only. So centimeter per second. Like that, dc divided by dt na, so even circumference also will be coming in centimeter only. So centimeter per second. T na S ba. Understand? Centimeter or meter or feet and all question you can see. Whatever the unit that you have to mention. Volume na cube, area na square. Other things and all, the unit will be coming as it is. That you have to realize. Very important things, because for this also they will be reducing half mark at the end of correction. Means in board exam, if they are correcting na, suppose if you are not given this centimeter per second is not given na, they will reduce half mark. Surely they will reduce. Centimeter per, instead of giving centimeter per second, if you are given a centimeter square per second also, they will reduce mark. Understand? Be careful here. Many people I have seen here itself, they are losing their centum. Be careful. Right? Can I go to next, Raja? Right. Question number 5 pa. Oh, 7 right. Question number 7 pa. Listen, Raja. The length, this is important question. I think last board exam they asked in case study, case based question they asked. I hope this model. Length they are taking x, length of rectangle. Then there is a rectangle for us. Length L I am taking. L means x they mentioned. Length x of rectangle is decreasing. They gave. Have you noticed pa? Decreasing 5 centimeter per minute. Length means what? X. So that dx divided by dt, or else if you want to write, okay, it's given only now you write dx divided by dt, decrease they mentioned, decrease na minus, decreases 5 centimeter per minute they mentioned pa, 5 centimeter per minute. Okay, right. And the width y, so width y they are given, width what Raja? With y is given, that is what ma y. This is length. With y they mention, y increasing it seems. Okay, not an issue then. Then dy divided by dt, which is equal to 4 centimeter per minute. So which is increasing na plus 4 ma, decreasing na minus 4. Already we have discussed this. Okay. Now when x equal to 8, y equal to 6, find the following. Listen carefully. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, find question number A, rate of change of perimeter. Rate of change of perimeter. So perimeter formula for rectangle. Have you remember I gave this formula and all. What is perimeter of rectangle pa? Perimeter P I am taking, and the rate of change of perimeter now what it mean? dP divided by what ma? dt is equal to question mark. That is they asked to find. First perimeter 2 into x plus y. 2 into x plus y. Am I right? The formula, or else if you want to write formula, general formula na, 2 into length plus breadth also you can say. Then perimeter P equal to 2 into x plus y also you can say. Then differentiate with respect to t on both side. What my dear? T. When you differentiate, what I am getting? dP divided by dt, which is equal to 2 into x. When you differentiate, what ma? dx by dt. dx divided by dt plus y. When you differentiate, what pa? dy by dt. dy divided by dt. Okay. Now let's go to applying the value. Listen children, dp divided by dt, which is equal to 2 into, what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is minus 5. Listen, minus 5 plus dy by dt, what I know? 4. Dy by dt, what I know? 4. When you simplify, what I am getting? 2 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. Here there is no use for x and y. Have you noticed? Because there is no variable x and y in the change of perimeter. So that what you will be giving? Perimeter na, it is centimeter per sec, sorry, not second, minute. Okay. Sir, answer we are getting in negative. If answer in negative, what it mean? If answer in negative, what it mean? Decreasing. The perimeter is what is happening? Decreasing. So what you want, right? Finally, therefore, what is that? Rate of change of perimeter? Sorry, what is that? What we can write? Decreasing at the rate will write. Okay, perimeter is decreasing. Ma, negative not decreasing. Okay, decreasing at the rate. At the rate, what is that? At the rate, of 2 centimeter per minute. See, when you write, you should not put here negative, because we have mentioned decreasing word, na? When you mention decreasing word, you should not put the negative in the statement. Understand? Be careful. This is what ma question number A question, and B question will go pa. B question, what they asking ma? Rate of change of area of rectangle. So that rate of change of area of rectangle. Okay. Rate of change of area of rectangle na, what we can mention it? Area means dA divided by dt, which is equal to question mark. Okay, that is you have to mention. Equal to question mark. Right. Now let's go here ma. First, what is area? Area means capital A. Area of rectangle what ma? Length into breadth. Area of rectangle what pa? Length into breadth. Length into breadth na. What you can say? A is equal to length x, breadth y. Children, here you should use UV formula pa. UV whole dash is equal to U dash V plus U V dash. In the sense you just mentioned, this is U, this is V. Now let's differentiate with respect to what ma? T on both sides. So that A, when I differentiate dA by dt, which is equal to first U dash, x when I differentiate dx divided by dt into y, let it be as it is, plus x keep it as what is that, as it is. Now v, when it v means y when I differentiate dy divided by dt, at a time r value, y value, and dx dy, everything you substitute and you will be getting the required. Okay, so dx by dt na, we have here minus 5. What is that? Minus 5 multiply y value, we have a 6. Y value we have what pa? 6 plus x value they gave 8. X value they gave 8 into dy by dt na, they gave what ma? 4. They gave what pa? 4. Now simplify, 5 6 are 30, but minus 30 plus what is that? 4 8s are 32. When you simplify, plus 2 I am getting. This is what? Area. dA divided by dt. Area na, centimeter square per minute. Minute is given. Okay, then you have to write what? Area. Plus means increasing, you have to say. What you have to say? Increasing. So therefore, area is increasing. Area is increasing at the rate 2 centimeter square per minute. At the rate 2 centimeter square per minute, you have to mention. Is it okay, Daraja? Tell me, is it okay or what? Right, fine. Boy side pa, understand? Right, next 8th one we are moving. Right, fast ma. Diagram also you can draw like a rough diagram. Sometime it will be useful only. Draw the diagram. Those who completed, write 8th question. Don't waste time. Those who completed 8th question, you write, Raja. I didn't give in this exercise homework, right? Same model na I'll give. Shall we go? Done pa boys side. Done na done. Tell me da. Girl side over pa. My last half an hour, you people telling last line. Okay pa. Sorry ma'am, slow learner ma. Shall we go next pa? Bye said Raja. Over. Ma question number 6. Listen Raja. Sorry. 8. Nice leader. Thank you pa. Ma a balloon. Ma balloon in the sense it will be sphere shape. Sphere you want to use. Balloon means sphere. So which is always remains a spherical sphere they have mentioned. Spherical inflection is going on. He is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter gas per second. Children listen. Are they, kindly listen, are they mentioned anything? What is increasing here? Can you tell me anyone here? How you will be finding this? What will be increasing? It means what? Volume will be, volume you have to say. See how you want to find volume? The word centimeter cube. Yeah, cubic centimeter is given na. Centimeter cube where it will be there in volume only. So that it is given dV divided by per second is mentioned, then dt, okay, which is equal to 900 cubic na centimeter cube per second. Yes, very important understanding the question. First one half line is over. Next, find at the rate which the radius with the radius of balloon increases. So we have to find radius of balloon increasing. We have to find. Listen, find the rate of radius of the balloon increases. Then dr by dt we have to find. When you want to find? When r equal to 15. When radius equal to 15 centimeter, find dr by dt. Is it understand the question first? Is it okay, ma? Tell me, boys side. Okay, ma. So here volume is given. I mean dV by dt is given. Then I'm going to use volume here. Then volume of sphere. Volume of a sphere. That is V, which is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is it okay, ma? Formula you must be very careful, right? Now I'm going to differentiate this with respect to T. Okay, T. Then V, when you differentiate dV divided by dt, 4 by 3 pi is a multiply constant, let it be. R cube, when you differentiate 3 r square multiply r, when you differentiate dr divided by dt. Children listen carefully. 4 by 3 pi multiply constant, so I left as it is. R cube, when you differentiate 3r square. Later r, when you differentiate dr by dt. Okay, be careful when you do the derivative. Okay, right. After differentiate, let's apply whatever the value we know. Right, fine. Before that, the 3 cancelled. Denominator 3, numerator 3 cancel. Remaining what I have, 4 pi r square multiply dr by dt only we have to find. So that let it be dr by dt as it is. But dv by dt is given. dv by dt is given 900 centimeter cube. Okay, dv by dt is given 900 centimeter cube. So that 900, let it be 900 as it is. Now just substitute whatever we know, that you substitute, Raja. What all? Okay, we need to find dr by dt, then remaining you send opposite. So that 900 divided by 4 pi r square, which is equal to dr by dt. Now what is the value I know, that you substitute. So that dr divided by dt, which is equal to 900, 4 pi r square is there. But r square, r value what? 15. Okay. So that r equal to what I am going to substitute, ma? 15. So 15 square you will be getting. What do you think about 15 square? 15 square na 225. If you want to write 225, you write, then you cancel with the 900. Or else 15 into 15 also you write. Not an issue. 15 into 15 also, what is that you can write. But when you multiply what I am getting here, 900, 4 pi, 15 square na 225. 225 into 4 what ra? 225 into 4 na 900. Very good. Okay. So that 900 divided by 900 pi I'm getting. 900 divided by 900 pi. So 900 one time I cancelled. Remaining what I have now, 1 divided by pi. 1 divided by pi. What is this? Dr divided by dt at the rate of r. Okay, r equal 15. This is what dr. Dr now how you will finish? How you will finish this? Yes, centimeter. Very good. Centimeter per second. Very good. Very good. Centimeter per second you can mention. So answer is 1 by pi centimeter per second. Is it okay, pa? Balloon sum also one of the important. Balloon sum also one of the important question. Do it faster, Raja. One more question will do. Write fast. So one more question we'll do in this video, then we'll complete, ma. Do it fast, ma. Girl side. Have you done, pa? Write fast. Boy side, ra. Okay, da. Okay. Ma, those who completed, be quiet, ma. Okay. Do it fast, pa. Done, pa. Sweta, tell me. Done. Right. For next, again it's a balloon sum. You people, can you try then? Huh? Or else I will give a what is that formation I will find. Yeah. So listen, it's a balloon. Balloon means what I said, sphere. So which is always remains a spherical, which has a variable radius. Okay, find, listen, variable they said radius. Find the rate at which volume is increasing. So we have to find, children, listen, we have to find dV divided by dt. Volume we have to find. Volume is increasing, what we have to find? dV by dt with its radius, later, not dV by dt, sorry, not dV by dt. Why? Because, listen, pa, Raja, listen, not dV by dt. You can realize that volume increasing with the radius dimension. With the radius, na, then dV by dr. dV by what, my dear? dr. Very important that is. It is increasing with the radius. Means the radius is changing the volume. Okay. Right. When later it is 10. The radius is what? So when radius is 10 centimeter, you have to find dV by dr. Shall we find, pa? It is very easy only. Volume of a sphere, that is V, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, listen carefully. Here variable radius mentioned, then variable radius with respect to radius only you have to go. So that differentiate with respect to radius. Differentiate with respect to radius. Okay, right. When you differentiate what, dV divided by dr, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi multiply constant r cube. When you differentiate 3r square, when you differentiate r with respect to r, na, you will be getting 1. Other variable, na, you will be getting dr by something. Here it will be 1. Okay, so that what is that? 3 cancelled. Then what is my answer? 4 pi r square. That's it. This is what dV by dr. Okay, dV by dr. But when R is 10, they asked what? When R is 10. So that dV divided by dr when R is equal to 10 centimeter, which is equal to 4 pi. R value what ma? 10 square, which is equal to 4 pi. 10 square na 100, which is equal to 400 pi. What you have to say ma? 400 pi. It is volume, no? So that centimeter cube per centimeter. Like that here also centimeter cube pi, per centimeter. See, volume centimeter cube, radius also centimeter. That is what I mentioned like this. I hope you understand why I am writing these things. Have you understand, pa? Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, children. The next video I will come with. Next video I will come with question number 10, ma. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. See you later.